Hello friends, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. We'd like to thank you for clicking on to our channel. Stay tuned, we have something interesting for you today. So without further delay, let us dive right into the video and start off with our project. Today we'll be doing something very simple. It is actually for the beginners. I'll be showing you how to do a simple embroidery on the mask. Now after the picture that you want to do in the mask is transferred on it with the help of a carbon paper, we start off. Here I will actually be using just simple 3 stitches. The one that I am doing now is called the stem stitch. Now this is the stem stitch and the name itself suggests where it is to be used. It is used for making the stems, tendrils, all that. Now for this stitch, what you need to do is you need to go very close by so that you get that neat finish. Another thing is that when you are working with embroidery threads, the tension has to be kept normal, not too tight, not too loose. Here in this project I am using anchor threads, and you can use thread of any color, and the needle that I am using here is quite a big one, so that it becomes easier for you all to understand and it becomes easy for us to thread the needle. Now talking about threads, I would like to mention that we take here just the 3 strands of thread. That means we divide the thread into 2 parts. As it has 6 number of threads in number, we divide it into 2 parts. That is, I am working with 3 number of strands. I hope you are following how I am doing the stem stitch. Now see, I have reached the end. Now I'll be jumping onto the leaf. Now when I'm talking about leaf, here I would like to tell you that for the leaf also we are using the very simple stitch which is named as lazy daisy. This stitch is very versatile. It helps us give shape to the leaf, to the petals very easily. The name of the stitch is also so cute, na? Lazy daisy. I hope you are following how I'm doing the leaves, and while working on it, keep the tension normal, otherwise your leaves will not get the perfect shape. While winding the thread around the needle, you can do it from right to left or left to right, whichever is comfortable for you, and slightly you need to tuck it just right above the head of the leaf. So how simple it is? To try it out, it is very simple, and you'll be proud of it after you finish your work. Now keep working on the leaf carefully, and you will notice that your next leaf gets tidier than the previous one. That is, if you are a fresher. I thought I should show you some simple embroidery on mask, as we don't know how long the masks are going to stay with us, so why not make it fashionable? Now see, I have reached the last leaf of this portion of the embroidery. we all like things which are neatly finished, so we'll tuck the loose end behind the work and snip off the thread. Now we'll start off in the flower portion of the drawing. Now, taking a different colored thread, here I am taking maroon thread, we'll start off with the petal. Now the petal will also be done with the help of our simple lazy daisy stitch. So keep following. Now see, the lazy daisy stitch is being used here to make the petals. Lazy daisy stitches are so simple. See, just you need to wind the thread around the needle and carefully tuck or clip the head of the petal. Now, in the similar manner, we'll complete all the petals till our flower is ready. I hope you're following how I'm doing the petals. Now the final petal is being done. See, our flower is almost ready. Our flower is complete and ready. Now I'll use a yellow thread to work on the center of the flower. Now, for working in the center of the flower, I'll be using a yellow thread and I'll be showing you one new stitch called the French knot. Now, when working with the French knot, what you do is you put the needle through the fabric and then you wind the thread around the needle about 4 times. Then you will see small loops are formed. That has to be pulled gently and pressed with the finger, and then you have to go back through the fabric to the wrong side. That is to complete that particular knot. Now do watch carefully. I started with the second French knot. I am winding the thread around the needle. I am pressing the needle lightly with the help of my thumb and I'll gently pull the needle off. Now see, the loops are being formed. I will not pull it too tightly. I hope you could follow. Now see, we are almost done with the French knots. Now I'll quickly complete my stem and the leaf so that I can show you how it looks when it is completely finished. Friends, I hope you are going to try this out at home. It is very simple, and please do not forget to share, subscribe and comment, to hit the like button, and stay tuned for more interesting videos in future. Bye.